guys, it's wELSHYTECH. Right, this is the video I promised you. This is me stripping my personal computer and me taking you step by step on how to do things. I'm going to be doing a couple of videos in clips because this is going to be a long process. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is going to be split into two videos, because the first is CPU, RAM, motherboard, then its installation into a case. That's it. The second one then will be, well, actually no, it'll be also, and it'll be AIO and storage. The second part of another separate video after this, and to show you how to install Windows from a USB stick, which I've already got prepared, which has been here for ages, prepared on my USB stick. I hope you continue to watch. This is wELSHY showing you how to build a computer. This is because easy. Now, it's not going to be like Linus Tech Tips videos where it's all like posh and the best like computers out there. This is me showing you from personal experience. I've been doing this over 10 years. I was like you at one point, nervous and frightened of actually touching anything from a computer. Look, once you get past the first build, it gets better and better with each one. It's all about experience. Once you get a little bit of experience building, it's basically like walking down the street. It's so easy. Right, continue to watch, please. Okay guys, this is CPU installation. This is me stripping my computer and showing you step by step what to do. Now, as you can see from here, as you can see, I've got my computer literally laid out right like this. Now it's basically like the way you would get it from a manufacturer with this little thing on. This is all you do, okay? This is all you do, is you lift the retention arm, put it over, grab the CPU. Now on this on LGA, it's got a little, see a little gold arrow, triangle. All you do is it lines up within the motherboard. You put it in like that. Done. And then once you do this, that comes off. Done. Okay, RAM. This is another easy one. Now, modern motherboards, they've got these little clips on one side. Years ago, they used to have more clips. But all you do is go like this, put it in. Oh, you open the clips up first. There. Line it one way. Put it in. Okay, so like this, like that. And then you go till you hear a little click. So go like this. That. There you go. Lovely. Done. Guys, okay, this is CPU thermal paste removal. I need to reapply because obviously I've taken off my cooler, but as you can see, it's not a bad application. Now, all you need is isopropyl alcohol, 99%. You can have 98%, 95%, but the whole point is the best. What you want is the best, so I recommend 99% alcohol. At the end of the day, it removes most of it, as well as less water content. You won't have problems with anything. Right. So, Okay, so there's that one done, like that, like that. There you go. It's, oh, that's it. That cleans it up lovely. There we go. Oh, beautiful. It's lovely. Okay, so this is going to be now showing you how to apply thermal paste. I use Thermal Grizzly. Okay, take the top off. There, grain of rice. I've shown you before. Like that. Okay, like that. And that's all you need. Is that little bit. That's all you need. Is that it? Guys, this is motherboard installation. So, as you can see, oopsies, don't twist my case, right, oh, okay, so as you can see, yes, I've disassembled everything. Now I use iFixit for all mine, so what you do now is you line it up with the IO shield, which I didn't show installation of that because I've already done it on my motherboard installation. But I'm going to do this for you quickly now. And you might put the back like this. Now there is actually little nubbins on the motherboard itself that actually keeps the motherboard in place for you while you do the first couple of screws, which is very, very handy. Bugger. Okay, so modern cases got these little nubbins inside where the standoffs normally go, but instead it takes away one of the stand-ins and it keeps this little thing up there, so you can actually keep the motherboard there. There we go. Now you don't over tighten it now, because over tightening can cause problems. I'm not going to say it's not going to cause problems, because if you over tighten it a little bit, it may not. But my best thing, my advice is never over tighten them. What you want to do is just a little bit. But that's all you need to do. It doesn't need to be tight. See, this is the thing. See, it never has to be tight. Now, as you can see, I'm not actually wearing any anti-static stuff because I've done it for so many years now. I mean, I've never actually had a problem with it. So, I mean, it may vary for you if you want to. The best thing to do is keep what you do is you turn the power supply, you turn everything off, you keep the power supply plugged in, but all you do is you ground yourself. You put your hand on the power supply where, literally on a metal part. You can either do it on your case as well, it doesn't really matter. But I mean, a lot of people do it on their case because you can do it that way. But me, I wouldn't. I'd rather do it on the power supply, then at least then you know you're actually hitting proper metal. As in, it depends. It needs to be a certain type of metal you need to actually put your hands on. Okay, there we go. Well, that's done. That's motherboard installation. I hope you can see it correctly. Now, I'm going to thingy this because I need to start plugging in my stuff again. But then I'm going to put on then. Yeah. Sorry guys, at the end of the day I need my computer back. So I'm just doing this quickly. Guys, this is AIO installation. Now, I'm going to move this by here quickly. So you can have a nice little look at it. Yeah, right. So what you're going to do, I've actually got a Corsair one. So all you need to do is this. Is you grab these. Right, you leave this one. So now this got a back plate. I'm not going to show you how to do the back plate because at the moment this is awkward as it is, isn't it? So I mean, you know, it's awkward, but at the end of the day you want to do a crisscross pattern. So you start off one side like that. the bottom one. Like that, and then you go this one. Like that. Lift these up so I can get to this one. And just tighten that up. Cable through like this. Pull them through. Like this. So now you need to line these up in your case. Like this. Got a screw. Like this. I'm going to quickly install it. So I'm just going to put 4 screws in for now, just so it holds it in place, just so I can, there we go, there's one. Good holes now. There we go. Right, okay, that's good for now. Right, see, look at that now, lovely. Now all you do is you pull these cables through a little by here. Now back to there. Pull this one through as well, like that. Lovely. Tuck that in. Put this one in through like this too. Like that, pull it through. That do now. Put this like that. Lovely, and it looks beautiful. Hey guys, this is graphics card installation. All it is you line it up and like that, like that. Now you go like this, grab the screws like that, there, like that. As you can see, it's basically back assembled, and it doesn't take long. I think this might be like a 15-minute video, but I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. I'll try and edit out as much as I can. There we go, back, done. Right, thank you for watching wELSHYTECH. This is Welshie. This is computer build, personal computer stripped apart. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel for further videos. Like, dislike, up to you. Also, check out overclockers.co.uk as well as a couple of the items that I'm featuring right here. They will be in the link for Amazon in the description. So, Welshie out.